Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how can quick add bulk feature to collection pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So as you can see, I have this product, and if I click on choose options, it will show up this because I have some variants to choose from. So how you can enable that is by basically going to your Shopify control panel and clicking on online store, themes, and edit theme. After that, what you'll need to do is click right here, go to the products, and click on default product. After that, scroll down, and then you'll see, you'll need to go to your collection, not products. So go to the collection, and then you'll see this product grid. And after that, if you click on product grid and scroll down, you'll see a bulk quick add right here, as you can see. If you don't see this menu, just zoom out a little bit, and right here you'll find bulk. So make sure you selected the bulk, then click save, and then you'll have this option to choose from. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.